We've all been there. Bombarded with promises, get-rich-quick schemes, they lure us in with the tantalizing idea of instant success, of wealth that comes without effort. The allure is strong and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. But behind every flashy advertisement and every too-good-to-be-true promise, there's a harsh reality waiting to be discovered. The stock market is touted as the golden ticket. Stories of overnight millionaires flood our news feeds, making it seem like a simple game anyone can win. But for every success story, there are countless tales of loss and heartbreak. The market is unpredictable, and without a deep understanding, it's easy to make costly mistakes. Real estate? The path to riches. It's often painted as a surefire way to build wealth. And while it's true that many have found success in property investments, it's not without its challenges. The market can be volatile, and the costs of maintenance, taxes, and unexpected repairs can quickly add up. But what if I told you the real secret to wealth lies within? It's not about the external opportunities, but about cultivating the right mindset and skills. True wealth starts with self-awareness and personal growth. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses and continuously working to improve yourself. Too often we chase external solutions. We look for shortcuts. We hope for a magic bullet that will solve all our problems. But these shortcuts often lead to dead ends. The real journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from our mistakes. But true wealth, lasting wealth, isn't found in a hot stock tip. It's not about chasing the latest trend or jumping on the bandwagon. It's about making informed decisions based on thorough research and a clear understanding of your goals and risk tolerance. It's not about timing the market. Trying to predict the perfect moment to buy or sell is a fool's errand. Even the experts get it wrong. Instead, focus on a long-term strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's about investing in yourself. Education, skills, and personal development are the true keys to financial success. By continuously learning and growing, you increase your value and open up new opportunities for wealth creation. This isn't about some magic formula. There's no secret shortcut to instant wealth. It's about hard work, dedication, and a commitment to personal growth. It's about setting realistic goals and working steadily towards them. It's about recognizing your own potential, believing in yourself and your ability to achieve great things. It's about taking control of your financial future and making decisions that align with your values and long-term goals. You are your greatest asset. Your skills, knowledge, and mindset are the foundation of your financial success. By investing in yourself, you build a strong foundation that can withstand the ups and downs of the market. Investing in yourself is the most powerful investment you can make. It's an investment that pays dividends for a lifetime. Whether it's through education, personal development, or building new skills, every effort you make to improve yourself brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Ready to break free from the illusion? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the true path to wealth and discover how you can take control of your financial future. It's time to invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. Forget Wall Street for a moment. The flashing numbers, the frantic trading, the constant news updates. It's a whirlwind that can leave you feeling overwhelmed and disconnected from your true potential. Let's talk about a different kind of market. The market of you, your skills, your knowledge. Imagine a place where your personal growth is the most valuable currency. A place where your ability to learn and adapt is more important than any stock tip or market trend. Your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. This is your true asset. It's about investing time and effort into developing yourself, honing your skills, and expanding your knowledge base. It's about becoming a lifelong learner, always curious, always evolving. This is where true wealth is built, not overnight, not by chance, but through consistent, deliberate investment in yourself. Just like a plant needs time to grow, your personal development requires patience and persistence. But through consistent, deliberate investment in yourself, setting clear goals, making plans, and taking small, consistent steps every day. It's about practicing a skill repeatedly until it becomes second nature. Think of yourself as a startup. Every decision you make, every action you take is an investment in your future. You're building something unique and valuable. You're creating a brand that is uniquely you. You are the CEO of your life. You have the power to make strategic decisions that will shape your future. You have the ability to steer your life in the direction you want it to go. What skills do you need to succeed? What areas do you need to improve? Identify the gaps in your knowledge and take steps to fill them. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a software, or developing a new habit, every new skill adds to your value. What knowledge will give you an edge? What insights will set you apart from the crowd? Seek out information that will help you grow. Read books, attend seminars, join mastermind groups. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge you to be better. This is the new paradigm of wealth creation. It's not about accumulating material possessions or chasing after the next big thing. It's about breaking free from the limitations that hold you back and reaching for the stars. It's not about what you acquire externally, but what you cultivate within. It's about finding peace and fulfillment in your personal growth journey. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and living a life that is rich in experiences, knowledge, and personal achievements. We all have hidden talents, untapped potential. The first step is recognizing this power within. What are you passionate about? What comes naturally to you? What do you enjoy learning about? These are clues. Maybe you're a natural problem solver. Perhaps you have a knack for communication. Or maybe you're a creative genius waiting to be unleashed. Don't underestimate yourself. Embrace your strengths. Identify areas for growth. This is the foundation of your wealth-building journey. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. Yet, some achieve extraordinary success, while others struggle to make ends meet. The difference? How they invest their time. Time is your most valuable asset. It's more precious than money. You can always earn more money, but you can never get back time. Treat your time with respect. Invest it wisely. Cut out distractions. Limit time-wasting activities. Every minute you invest in yourself is a deposit into your future. Remember, small, consistent actions compounded over time lead to extraordinary results. Knowledge is power, fueling your growth. In today's rapidly changing world, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more valuable you become. The more you can achieve. Never stop learning. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops and seminars. Become a student of your craft. Seek out mentors and experts in your field. Learn from their experiences. Model their successes. The more you invest in your knowledge and skills, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. The power of mentorship and networking. You don't have to go it alone. Surround yourself with successful people, people who inspire you, people who challenge you to grow. Mentors can provide invaluable guidance. They've been there, done that. They can help you navigate challenges and accelerate your progress. Networking is equally important. Connect with like-minded individuals. Build relationships with people in your industry. You never know where these connections might lead. Remember, your network is your net worth. Action turning dreams into reality. Knowledge without action is useless. It's like having a car with a full tank of gas but never leaving the driveway. You have the knowledge. You have the skills. Now it's time to put them into action. Don't be afraid to take risks. Don't let fear paralyze you. Every successful person has faced setbacks and failures. It's part of the process. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Get up, dust yourself off, and try again. The more you act, the more confident and capable you become. Real-life success proof in the pudding? Don't just take my word for it. Look at the countless examples of individuals who have achieved extraordinary success by investing in themselves. Oprah Winfrey, a self-made billionaire, credits her success to her constant pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. Bill Gates, another self-made billionaire, is a voracious reader and lifelong learner. These individuals are not outliers. They are proof that success is not reserved for the privileged few. It's available to anyone willing to put in the work. Embrace the journey. Unlock your wealth. Investing in yourself is a lifelong journey. There's no finish line. Every step you take, every effort you make contributes to your growth and development. It's not just about reaching a destination, but about the experiences and lessons you gather along the way. Each book you read, each seminar you attend, and every personal project you undertake adds to your wealth of knowledge and skills. Embrace the process of continuous learning, growth, and self-improvement. It's in these moments of dedication and perseverance that you truly unlock your potential. Whether you're attending a workshop, practicing a new skill, or studying with others, each moment is a building block towards a better you. The journey of self-improvement is ongoing, and every small step forward is a victory in itself. Celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge your achievements. It's important to take a moment to recognize how far you've come. Whether it's receiving an award, marking progress on a chart, or simply sharing a high five with friends, these moments of celebration fuel your motivation and remind you of your capabilities. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Challenges and obstacles are a natural part of the journey. They test your resolve and strengthen your character. When you face a setback, remember that it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Overcoming challenges, lifting yourself up after a fall, and working through problems with determination are all part of the process. Each setback is a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Confidence and determination are your greatest allies. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. Whether it's crossing the finish line of a goal or simply smiling with determination, your mindset plays a crucial role in your success. Trust in your journey and your ability to navigate it. The real wealth isn't in your bank account. It's in the richness of your experiences and the depth of your personal growth. It's about the meaningful moments and the lessons learned along the way. When you take the time to reflect on your journey, you'll realize that true wealth is found in the wisdom you've gained and the person you've become. It's in the quality of your relationships, the connections you build with others. Spending time with loved ones, sharing meals, and laughing together are priceless moments that enrich your life. These relationships provide support, joy, and a sense of belonging. They are the true treasures that add value to your journey, the impact you make on the world, the positive changes you bring about. Whether it's through volunteering, planting a tree, or inspiring others with your words, your actions have the power to create a ripple effect. Making a difference in the lives of others and contributing to the greater good is a significant part of your legacy, and the legacy you leave behind. Your story, your teachings, and the memories you create with your family are all part of the legacy you build. Writing a memoir, teaching the next generation, and cherishing family moments are ways to ensure that your impact endures. Your legacy is a reflection of the life you've lived and the values you've upheld. So what are you waiting for? The journey of self-investment and personal growth is waiting for you. Every new beginning is an opportunity to redefine yourself and your goals. Embrace the motivation and the excitement of starting something new. Prepare yourself for the journey ahead with enthusiasm and determination. Start investing in yourself today. Open that book, lace up those shoes, and dive into that new project. Each action you take towards self-improvement is a step towards unlocking your true potential. The journey may be long, but every step is worth it. It's the most important investment you'll ever make. The pride you feel in your achievements, the milestones you reach, and the confidence you gain are invaluable. Investing in yourself is a commitment to your future and the best way to ensure a fulfilling and successful life. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.